The Panther T5 Electrosteer is a revolutionary auxiliary engine steering system. The T5 Electrosteer installs in just minutes on any auxiliary engine with a threaded tilt tube up to 40 horsepower. Just 4 inches of clearance between the engines is needed for a complete turning radius. The T5 Electrosteer is available in both freshwater and saltwater versions. Both models are standard with a water-resistant motor dipped and enclosed in a rubber coating to ensure years of trouble-free use. The Electrosteer comes standard with a 24-foot wire cable and is also available with a wireless remote option. In addition, the T5 can run off the same remote in conjunction with the TrollMaster system, which controls both steering and throttle adjustments. The Panther T5 Electrosteer has changed the way I fish. I am more efficient and precise with my trolling presentations, which equates to more fish in the live well at the end of the day.